look in my eyes. Tell me what you see. I got a stalk of sensimania growing in my front yard. Look on that one here, it's a bud. That one here, a bud. Oh my god. Hey, me get peace, nigga. Guys, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It is now legal, guys. Don't worry yourself. And I've got my stock right here. We're on the delivery trailer in Spanish Town, guys. And I just stopped to get a piece of the good old Cali. This is our Cali or Sensi? Cali. The man say anyone more on Cali. Anyone more on Cali. So I call it Cali. I got a piece of the Cali here, guys. Just a scent make me high. Speaking of high, if you want a natural high, guys, if you want the ability to save some money on your shipping, go ahead, click on the link, join us today. We're going to make you high because they're going to give you your first package under £5 with no delivery charges. You hear that? You like it, bossy? Also, we're going to give you 4 free shipping coupons per year to make it even higher. Alright, so go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Alright guys, we're on the delivery trail. We're so happy to serve you. Go ahead, click the link, join us today, and we're going to get the item shipped from overseas, delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright, we're going to pull my tree. Bye guys.